Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, making sure our butter is perfectly softened. This small step makes a big difference in the texture of your cookies. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit so it's ready when your dough is. Let's get baking and create some magic. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and both sugars until light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, beat in your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. The best part is next, adding the chocolate. Gently fold in about 2 cups of chocolate chips or chunks into your dough. Once mixed, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto your prepared baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. They'll be soft and wonderfully chewy. Once your cookies are out of the oven, resist the urge to eat them immediately. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. They are best enjoyed warm, but they also store well in an airtight container for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.